Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7th, Subject English, Chapter 2, How Things Work. So we will have the revision of chapter number 2. Already in the previous lecture, in the revision, we have discussed two activities. Today, in the revision of chapter 2, we will discuss activity 6 and 7. Look at the picture of drop of water. Work with a group or a partner to use the information in how does it do that? To explain why the cloth under the drop looks bigger than the cloth next to the drop. You can see here in the picture that there is a drop of water on the cloth, and where there is a drop, there under the drop, whatever the cloth is there, it looks little bigger than the cloth which is next where there is no drop. So why it happened? Why the drop of water where the cloth is there, it looks bigger? So let's see the explanation of this. The drop makes the cloth under it appear bigger. Why? Because the drop of the water on the cloth should have the magnified area. Here the area where the drop is there, which is magnified area, and the area which is covered by the drop, that is magnified area. This happens because the drop had curved surface. You can see here in the picture the drop having the curved surface. Wherever the drop is there, there is a curved surface, and the flat bottom, the cloth is flat only. So, and it is transparent through the drop of the water. The smaller drop of water, the greater curve. If the drop is as smaller, the greater curve will be there. And the greater curve, the upper surface, the greater magnification, the greater magnifying that area, that object. When the larger drop will be there, it will not magnifying much, because larger drop not having the curved surface, larger drop little bit flat type, not curved. So as the smaller drop, more curve, and larger drop not having much curve in that larger drop. So the smaller drops having more magnifying, the more magnified area. So that is why wherever the drop is there, and when the drop is smaller, the cloth will look bigger, because the small drop having the curved surface, magnified area, like magnifying glass we see how that look bigger. So here the smaller drop having magnification, and the things look bigger. When the larger drop, not more curve, not more magnification, and the things not look bigger. So that is the reason behind it. Now let us see activity 7. You can see activity 7. Usually umbrella keeps people dry, but a little girl in Japan invented an umbrella that sprays water on the person who carries it. She wanted an umbrella to help people stay cool in very hot weather. People who work outside in the sun like the little girl's idea and buy her raining umbrella. Here already we have discussed when we have seen the chapter. Again we will see in the revision that here little girl in Japan, she invented one umbrella. But what is the speciality of umbrella? That it is spraying umbrella. It sprays water. Those who carry this umbrella spraying the water. So what is the use, and why people prefer, why people buy, and why people like this little girl's idea in Japan? So here the question is, the raining umbrella was invented to solve a problem. So what was the problem? What was the problem of the people, and why people liked this little girl's umbrella? So we see the people are working hard under the sun, and when there is extreme heat, too much heat, people facing problem like a heat stroke, like other types of heat illness people suffer from. So to solve this problem, we have to save ourselves from the direct heat of the sun. Any umbrella can save us from the direct heat. Any umbrella serve this purpose. But this misting umbrella, this spraying umbrella, what is the speciality? It sprays water. Those who carry it sprinkle the water, sprays the water on the people, those who carry it. So the people feel quite comfortable, quite fresh, cool under the severe heat. So that is why this raining umbrella solved the problem of severe heat. Okay, so that is why people liked her idea, and that was the problem in Japan, which is solved by the little girl by inventing a spraying umbrella. Okay, so these two activity we will see today only, and in the next video we will see the further revision, the further activities. Okay, so these activities again you refer, you read, and related whatever the questions are there, please prepare now for the unit test. Okay, so today we will end our video here only. In the next further video we will see the further revision. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye bye, take care.